Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. We are going to fly the Yak 130. Enjoy the show. Lightens up. Yeah, this plane is very nimble, extremely nimble.
Looks like a fly sweet. 6 or 4?
It's a 6.
Oh.
And I only have a 3300 on it. Don't need anything more because it's so small and nimble. Look at that, half power.
It sounds good.
Yeah, it does. It sounds really nice. It doesn't have safe, so you really have to be on it.
You're a good pilot when you want to be.
I try. Okay. Let's try, bring it around, and then we're going to get ready for the landing. Wheels down.
Don't have telemetry that you can tell how long you can fly for?
Nope.
Speed when you come in.
Yeah.
You can't go slow.
No, not on this one.
Yeah.
This one,
see it. You can see it. You're way out the throttle.
Yeah.
Bring it in faster. The grass will slow it down.
Right.
There you go. Oh man.
Definitely. You're gonna need flaps on this.
You put the flaps on?
Yeah.
Oh, I wouldn't use flaps. It's too windy.
You think?
They're only going to mess you up. You were perfect right there. There you go, you're perfect. Perfect. What did I tell you?
Very nice.
the grass mowed down. That's what it's for.
Typical Russian jet. All right, guys, there you go. The Yak 130 flying. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below. We'll catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.